And I am wearing hijab today. Yes, I'm wearing the hijab today. I just took my shahada, and so I just decided to try the hijab today. And one thing I loved about trying the hijab today was it's like an outward way to show your beliefs as a Muslim woman. And I just feel that's incredible. Like, there's no better way to show the world that you're Muslim than wear the hijab, you know? So it's really incredible. It's bringing together the women throughout the world, the Muslim women, by having the hijab. It's just showing the world right away that you're Muslim. So I think that's just amazing. Also, I love the feeling of wearing the hijab, walking down the street. I just felt, you know, so I felt so like at peace, and so I felt like it was a crown on my head, you know.